The long wait is almost over. Ilang sandali na lang at parating na. Get ready for the countdown to the big moment. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good afternoon, basketball fans! Isang panibagong simula ang sama-sama nating masasaksiyan sa hapon ito. Get ready for unprecedented action, drama, and excitement with the powerhouse cast of the country's greatest hardcore heroes. Get ready for the 36th season of the PBA! To lead us in ushering in this new beginning, let us all welcome the Philippine Basketball Association Board of Governors, Governor of Air 21 Express, Mr. Johan Lambert Ramos II, Governor of Alaska Aces, Mr. Joaquin Greenfield, Governor of the Alcohol Energy Boosters, Attorney Manny Mendoza. Alternate Governor of Barangay Ginebra Kings, Mr. Robert Hall. Governor of El Alcohol, Mr. Ramon Seismundo. Alternate Governor of San Miguel, Mr. Eli Camacho. Representing Comcast, the head of Smart Sports, Mr. Patrick Gregorio. Governor of Powerade Tigers and EDA Treasurer, Mr. Jamie Bailon. Governor and Team Manager of Raiders Shine Velasco Raiders and PBA Vice Chairman, Attorney Mabel Mondragon. Governor of PBA Attorney Ace Llamados and PBA Chairman, Mr. René Pablo. it up is PBA Commissioner Attorney Chico Salud. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, your PBA Board of Governors. Our celebration begins with this prayer of hope to be led by the Hiyas ng Pilipinas. Let us all rise. Sama-sama nating bigyang bugay ang ating inang bayan. Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, dalas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dilim mo'y buhay. Lupang hirang, tuyan ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisingil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bukaw, may dalagang mula at awit sa pamalayang minahal. Ang kisap ng wataw at mo'y tagumpay na naginiling, ang bituin na nataraw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Luha ng
be seated. To accept a warm PA welcome to everyone. Here is our new PA Commissioner, Attorney Chico Salud.
Every new season brings with it great expectations. When I was given the trust and confidence by the Board of Governors to become the 8th Commissioner of the PBA, I took the opportunity to talk to people whose lives are touched by the PBA. And I have heard their concerns, their hopes, their dreams. This is what I've heard. Mr. Commissioner, tumatanda na rin po ang PBA, kaya siguro bumabagal na rin ang pagtuho natin. Mr. Commissioner, gusto namin ang laro ng PBA, pero wala po tayong palama sa laro ng mga LeBron James, ng mga Kobe Bryant, at ng iba't iba pang mga international players. Mr. Commissioner, napakarami pong mga kompetisyon at kalaban ng PBA ngayon sa cable TV at sa internet. Hindi po tulad noong araw. What I have heard did not surprise me. It's only natural that we are perturbed about how the PBA will perform amid increasing forms of entertainment and sports offerings. But let me be clear. The PBA today has matured and is ready to adapt to the changing world. We have the top corporations in this league with more lining up to join us. We have the best players of the country and young, exciting talents continuing to look to the PBA as their ultimate destination. We have a set of governors whose commitment to excellence and love for the sport guide everything we do in the PBA.